Today we are covering Palo Alto Network Certified Network Security Administrator PCNSA. To find the complete list of questions and answers, please go to the playlist link provided in the description. If you like this content, do like, share and subscribe to this channel. Question is, which user ID mapping method should be used for an environment with clients that do not authenticate to Windows Active Directory? Option A. Windows Session Monitoring via a domain controller. Option B. Passive Server Monitoring using the Windows-based agent. Option C. Captive Portal. Option D. Passive server monitoring using a PAN-OS integrated user ID agent. Correct answer is option C. Next question is, an administrator needs to allow users to use their own Office applications. How should the administrator configure the firewall to allow multiple applications in a dynamic environment? Option A. Create an application filter and name it Office Programs. Then filter it on the Business Systems category, Office Programs subcategory. Option B. Create an application group and add Business Systems to it. Option C. Create an application filter and name it Office Programs. Then filter it on the Business Systems category. Option D. Create an application group and add Office 365, Evernote, Google Docs, and LibreOffice. Correct answer is option A. Next question is, which statement is true regarding a best practice assessment? Option A. The BPA tool can be run only on firewalls. Option B. It provides a percentage of adoption for each assessment data. Option C. The assessment guided by an experienced sales engineer helps determine the areas of greatest risk where you should focus prevention activities. Option D. It provides a set of questionnaires that help uncover security risk prevention gaps across all areas of network and security architecture. Correct answer is option C. Next question is, complete the statement, a security profile can block or allow traffic. Option A. On unknown TCP or unknown UDP traffic. Option B. After it is matched by a security policy that allows traffic. Option C. Before it is matched by a security policy. Option D. After it is matched by a security policy that allows or blocks traffic. Correct answer is option B. Next question is, which interface does not require a MAC or IP address? Option A. Virtual wire. Option B. Layer 3. Option C. Layer 2. Option D. Loop back. Correct answer is option A. Next question is, a company moved its old port-based firewall to a new Palo Alto Networks NGFW 60 days ago. Which utility should the company use to identify out-of-date or unused rules on the firewall? Option A. Rule uses filter, no app specified. Option B. Rule uses filter, hit count unused in 30 days. Option C. Rule uses filter, unused apps. Option D. Rule uses filter, hit count unused in 90 days. Correct answer is option D. Next question is, what are two differences between an implicit dependency and an explicit dependency in app ID? Choose two options. Option A. An implicit dependency does not require the dependent application to be added in the security policy. Option B. An implicit dependency requires the dependent application to be added in the security policy. Option C. An explicit dependency does not require the dependent application to be added in the security policy. Option D. An explicit dependency requires the dependent application to be added in the security policy. Correct answer is option A and option D.